Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the University Grants Commission's Fee Regulation Act that will be coming soon. So we are going to see this topic with respect to one article. So before going into the details and all, the candidates who are preparing for this UGC NET June 2020 electronic science subject, so here one good news to them. The online course is going to start from Feb 26 onwards. So the candidates who wants to register for this course, you can see the details in the description box of this video, and few demo classes links are also provided, so you please just check that one. And whoever not yet subscribed this channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Then you're going to get all my updates and videos as a immediate notifications to your mobiles, laptops or desktops. And here you can see that UGC, now the fees will be fixed on the background of the students. The regulation is coming. That means whatever the tuition fees are there for the undergraduation, post-graduation or for the research or the PhD. So the fees of these courses or these admissions, the UGC is planning to fix that one on the background of the students. So it is really a good news. So while coming to the body of this article, the UGC plans to set fees in professional courses based on the students' backgrounds. Fees will be decided on the basis of the different backgrounds and the genders of students in the same course of the same university. In this, the social and economic level of the students will also be made the basis. To bring transparency in fees, the UGC has prepared a draft for the fees. The UGC has included this proposal in the draft for fee regulation for 127 deemed universities of the country. Standards are being set for these universities for the first time in the country, on which their suggestions have been taken from all institutions, teachers and students. In this regulation, the fees determination committee will decide the fees of every university based on its expenses and the resources and facilities given to the students. That means here for the 127 deemed universities in the country, the UGC is planning to set one regulation, fee regulation act to that one, depending upon the background, that means the social and economic background and the gender of the students. The UGC is planning to fix some fees to these 127 deemed universities, and the committee will have the right to set different fees for the students of different categories. Even a provision has been made to set separate fees for girls and separate fees for boys. Especially social and economic status will also not be ignored. There will also be a difference in fees based on the established institutions, especially in urban and rural areas. This regulation is being finalized, which will be implemented soon. There will be a provision of a penalty of 10 lakhs rupees after this regulation if the additional fees charged by any other means by these deemed universities will be treated as a capitation fees. In such a situation, the institution will be fined up to 10 lakh rupees. As of now, there is no law. Most of these institutions are currently taking donations of millions of rupees. So most of the private deemed universities are taking huge amount of fees from the students. So it is completely against the law. So soon the UGC is going to bring one act to these 127 deemed universities, that the fees is going to be fixed based upon the social and economical and gender and urban and rural of the candidates or institutions. So it is a update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. For more details and all, please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.